Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday and I have a date. You guys remember it was Chelsea's birthday last Friday. My birthday is this Friday, so we decided to just get together and celebrate our birthday by having like a nice little birthday dinner, just me and her, and we're gonna exchange gifts. So I just did my makeup and my hair, just wearing like a little dress, like a simple little plain black dress. And here's her gift right here. So both of us are like really into perfumes, and we've been trying to get our perfume collection up. By the time this video is out, she'll already have the gift, so I can show y'all what it is. But I was gonna buy her the YSL perfume because we went to Sephora a few times together and we smelled a couple of perfumes. But then on her pack with me video, I noticed that she bought the YSL that I was gonna get, so I'm so happy that she showed that. So the one that I picked up is the Valentino. So I think she'll like this one because it smells really nice. And I have the receipt in there just in case she can exchange it for something else. But yeah, so I just wanted to tell you guys what I was getting up to, start the vlog off. So we're supposed to be meeting at the restaurant at 6:30. So I need to just slip on my dress, lotion myself up, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, y'all. So this is what I'm wearing. Y'all probably can't see me, but I'm gonna step back. But it's just a little, I guess you can call this like a little bodycon dress. I like it. I definitely need to go because I'm running a little late. But yeah, so I'll see you guys at dinner. Hey y'all. Her photographer's here. Say hey, Dion.
Hello guys.
Chelsea's gonna open her gift.
Hi you guys, this is not the best angle, but it's okay. So this is what Sharika got me. I'm kind of nervous. I wanted this one.
I know you did.
Oh my god. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all already seen it.
Yes.
Girl, why am I home?
And then it's so crazy because I was gonna get you the YSL, and then when you showed the clip, I'm like, oh yeah.
Alright, Sharika is about to open her gift.
Opening my gift. Kind of nervous. Tell y'all too.
Y'all know what she got. She's gonna love it.
First of all, my favorite. Look. She's super sweet. Oh, y'all saw it already. Look, y'all.
And I know you didn't. Did you smell it before?
Burberry Her.
Okay.
Yeah, I went to Sephora. I smelled it today.
Okay. So I put the receipt in just in case.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh.
Because you deserve the best. Period.
Ooh, period. I bet I know which one it is. Champagne.
Yeah. And I didn't want to shorten the vlog that day because I specifically got that one for you.
Yes. My favorite. Ooh, so good. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Y'all, so we closed the restaurant down. They're kicking us out. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. So last night, let me just sit on the couch. Last night we had a lot of fun. We just had like girl talk, ate good, you know, it was a lot of fun. So I really need to clean up my studio today because it is a mess. I have a lot of errands that I need to run this morning. I have to go shopping for Thanksgiving. That's the first thing, so I need to go ahead and knock that out. I want to go to the mall because if y'all didn't know, a lot of those stores started their Black Friday sales, and I think it actually ends on Friday. So I know H&M has like 30% off the entire store. Forever 21 has 30% off the entire store, and I want to get a piece of that. So I'm gonna go in there, and then I wanted to go to At Home because I'm looking for the vase for the little stand up front where the mirror is that I showed y'all. I want to go ahead and get a vase for that, and once I get the vase, then I'll look for the greenery that I want in there. So I was thinking about going to a few antique stores, but I'm not too sure if I want to do that today. I mean, I could go to that one that I bought the pampas grass from, which is a really nice one, to see if they have, well, I'll go in there if I can't find the vase at Home. Then I'll go to that cute little antique store and see what they have. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. What else? Oh, and I did want to show you guys my perfume collection because I always get a lot of questions about my perfume collection. So I'll show you guys that because y'all know in my old place I had them sitting on like a little vanity on a little acrylic little tier. It's like a cupcake holder, but I just turned it into my little perfume stand. I don't use it anymore, but that's what I had before. You guys could see my perfume all the time, but now you can't. So Chelsea loved the perfume, which I'm so happy that she did. I actually want to get that perfume for myself. I should have bought it yesterday. I don't know why I didn't. And the Burberry Her perfume that she bought me, it smells so nice. So I think I'm gonna wear that today. It smells really, really good. So I'm gonna go in here and make myself some coffee, and we'll go ahead and get the day started. All right, y'all, so here's all of my perfumes. I brought them up front because I keep them up under my bathroom sink. So, and I needed to clean them off because they were a little dusty, y'all. So the only perfumes new perfumes that I've bought this year is the YSL Gucci Guilty. I bought this one this year, the Versace Crystal Noir, and what else? I think that's it. So the other ones I've had for a very long time. So this one, the Chanel Chance, and the Marc Jacobs Daisy is probably like my favorite scents, and the Gucci Guilty, I really like this one too. So these are the three that I wear the most, which this one will be added, my Burberry Her. I love the YSL, but this one is new, so as you guys can see, I haven't sprayed it that much. I like this YSL too. Tony bought me this one last year for my birthday. I don't remember the name of this one, but as you guys can see, I use this one a lot. I've had this perfume for so long. Gosh, probably like 5 years. This stuff is so strong, but this is also a Marc Jacobs. This is Marc Jacobs Honey. A little bit goes a long way. This is super strong. This is a Jimmy Choo that I don't really wear because I'm not the biggest fan of this, but this was a gift. What else? The Gucci Bamboo. Again, I'm not really a big fan of it, but it smells okay. I really like this Dolce & Gabbana. So love this one. That one was also a gift from my husband when he bought his Dolce & Gabbana, because I love the men's Dolce & Gabbana. These scents back here are just like mostly scents that I wear to bed. This will always be in my perfume collection because it just smells so pretty to me. This is a Britney Spears Fantasy. I just love the way that this smells. So I always keep like a little small bottle. You can find it like at Walmart for probably like $25. But I wear this to sleep, or like the Candy Yum Yum, or one of my Juicy perfumes. So these are like scents that I would wear to bed, because I do wear perfume to bed. I'll spray some like on the back of my neck or something like that. And then this one, I've had this one for quite some time too. So this one smells pretty good, the Moschino Fresh. And then I have this little Dolce & Gabbana, The One. So yeah, that's my little perfume collection. So I need to get some newer perfume scents. I bought the Chloe Nomad. I gave that one to my little sister because it kind of smelled like old lady perfume to me. I don't know. So I got rid of that one. So y'all let me know what I need to add to the collection. Yeah. So I'm in the car. I'm on my way to the mall. But tell me why this girl almost ran me off the road. Like, thank God it wasn't another car on the side of me, because I had to swerve a little bit because she just got over in my lane. Almost. So I'm trying to calm down, but that could have went real bad. But I'm on my way to the mall. I'm gonna go to H&M, and then I'm gonna go to Forever 21 to see what they have. Did I miss my exit? And then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I need to go to Trader Joe's too. All right, y'all. So H&M has some really cute stuff in there. You can get like up to 40% off right now. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but you can get up to 40% off. They had some really cute stuff, but I couldn't get that much because like all of the things that I was interested in, they didn't have my size. So I did still grab just a few things that I can just like lounge around in, because like, where am I going really? I have a feeling that we're about to be on lockdown. So, but I did grab some stuff. I'm gonna do like a try on haul. That'll be another video. I'm gonna try to break that video up so I don't put everything together. What time is it? 11:20. I made good time. Okay guys, so I made it back home. I didn't go grocery shopping for Thanksgiving because I'm gonna wait for my husband, because he has some stuff that he wants to get. So we're just gonna go together, and I'll show you guys what we pick up on the next video. Well, it'll be after Thanksgiving probably, but I will show you guys what I got while I was out. So I went to Forever 21 and H&M, but that's gonna be, I'm gonna do a haul, a different video. And then I bought this vase right here from an antique shop. So I'm gonna do a little DIY project with this. I'll probably either spray paint it black or cream. I really haven't decided yet, but this will be spray painted, and it's either gonna go right there where that vase is, or on my counter behind me. And the same with this one. This one looks pretty cool already, but I love the shape of this, so I'll also be spray painting this one, but I still haven't decided the color that I'm gonna do. And the same with this one, it'll either go on the shelf or the countertop, so I'll just figure all of that out later on. But this one was $19 at an antique shop, and this was at a different antique shop, and this one was, where's that receipt? I want to say this one was 30, but let me see. I got the receipt in here. Ugh. Oh, this one was 31 for this, guys. So I went to HOMEGOODS and I bought this Homebody Joanna Gaines book that I'm gonna sit up here. I went to At Home. I bought some of these little bowls, little dough bowls. So my plan was to sit these on top of the book. Let me back up. Hold on, because this stuff is falling everywhere. Okay. So the plan was to sit this on top of the book like this. I bought 2 of them, but this one is a little bit too long, so that one won't work. But sit this on top of this one like this and put it on the shelf. So let's see what that looks like. Now I wanted to add some wood pieces down here. Something simple like this. Can y'all see that? It's gonna look cute when I'm done. I'm sweating, I'm so hot. I look terrible right now. It's a little hot outside. It felt pretty good this morning. It was like 65 degrees, but now it's burning up outside. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If I don't see you guys again, happy Thanksgiving. Y'all be safe, be blessed, and I love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.